This is the apple juice. This is the apple juice that I collected and processed. So I'm gonna make some jelly. Just straining it out because I saw that it had settled after I canned it. So I've already made the apple jack out of it. Now we're gonna make some jelly. So you see some of that sediment in the bottom. I'm gonna leave that in the jar so I don't have to strain it out. And so that should give me about 4 cups. So now I'm gonna go 4 cups of sugar. And once I add the sugar, I'm going to heat the juice up first, add the sugar and slowly stir it in, and then I'll add in the pectin. This is the apple juice that I made from the apples from my hometown. Already made apple jack. I had 4 cups of juice, now I'm adding 4 cups of sugar, stirring that in. It is apple juice, so it already has a lot of pectin already in it. So I'm going to add anywhere from 4 to 6 tablespoons of pectin after I add in the sugar. So 4 cups of juice means I have to add in 4 cups of sugar. So I want equal amounts. There we go. Stir that in, bring it back to a boil, then I'll add in the pectin. And once the pectin is added, I'll do the gel test with the spoon in the fridge.